that you can reuse over and over. So if you're constantly making something that needs the same sizes, same dimensions, the same DPI, color profile, or whatever it is you need, is something you're using over and over and over, well, time savers to create templates, and it's fairly easy to do. So first, let's go to File, New, and you'll notice you typically will open up on your presets, and you'll see here, this is what we're aiming for. Here's some templates that I have, but let's go to presets. And on your presets over here, you have some things you can adjust. So let's make a 1200 by 1500 pixel template. And right now it's set at 300 DPI, which would be for print. So I'm going to set mine at 96, 72 or 96 for web. And you can obviously do pixels. You got your unit sizes here, so whatever you're doing it for, whatever you need. And then you can change orientation here. And you can set the actual size to fit one of these iPad applications here if you want. Here you have the option to, when you bring in a photo or any other element, it embeds it directly into your project, creates a layer, puts it there, or you can have it linked where it doesn't bring it into your project, but it links it from your location that your picture or whatever is on your computer. Of course, you got color format. We have RGB and CMYK, the two most popular, RGB for web, CMYK for print. You have others you can mess with here. And then color profile, it defaults to sRGB, but you may need one of these others, so there's those. Now here, if you want a transparent background on your template, which is what I do, make sure that's ticked, because if not, it's going to come up with a color white usually. And if you're doing a lot of print, you may want to have your margins included as well. You can tick that right there and set your margins where you need them, and it will be like that. For reuse. So after you get done, you just simply create it. Now, before this next step in Affinity Photo, you need to go somewhere on your computer where you want to store your templates, because that is going to be the folder that you need to recall your templates from. So I'm just going to make a little test one here, and we're going to make it, let's call this new folder test templates. And then go up here, File, Export as Template. And I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go find my test templates. And what was the size I made that? I named mine with the pixels, so 1200 by 1500. And it's going to give it the Affinity Files template extension. So I'm just going to save this like that. And now I'm going to close that out. Now we're going to go back to File, New, and we're going to go to Templates. And you'll notice my test templates is not here, so I need to come down here and I need to add that folder. So I'm going to add that folder. Go there. And let's find my test template folder. Where's that? There we go. We'll select that folder, and now it's added, and you'll see here is my template now. So I'm going to just go ahead and select that and create it, and there it is. I'll close this out. Not going to save it. Go File, New, and again test templates. I could pick from any of my other ones that I have. I have various ones for various uses, but anyhow, test templates. There it is again. Once you close your program and you open it back up, it will be there. If you need to remove a folder, which I'm going to do right now, and there, just simple as that. And then that is all there is to it. So if this has helped you create templates, how about leaving a like, leave a message, subscribe. You have a good day.